Welcome, Mr. Denome. So the debate between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump just ended. So in this video, I will give you my summary, what this means for us crypto investors and Bitcoin investors. And when we just take a look at the results, you can see the price of Bitcoin is simply falling. And the reason is there's a lot of uncertainty from the debate. And unfortunately, it seems like the pro-crypto candidate, Donald Trump, has actually lost the debate. So this was not the price catalyst debate that I was hoping for in the positive side. This was a price catalyst moment for the negative side, unfortunately. So when we take a look at who is going to win the presidential race, it is still neck and neck with Donald Trump and Kamala Harris. But going into the debate, Donald Trump had actually a 51% lead on Polymarket, but that lead has fallen by 2% after the debate started. So when we take a look at who actually won the debate, you can see Donald Trump only has 2% chance to win. I placed some bets here and I basically lost my money on this bet here. But all in all, I thought Donald Trump would win the debate, but he clearly has not win the debate. This is still, obviously, it could still win if the polls for whatever reason support Donald Trump, but I feel like the debate actually favored Kamala Harris. So when we actually just look at the debate itself, Donald Trump, he focused on reasons to hate Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris focused on reasons to hate Donald Trump. And she also gave reasons why those undecided voters should vote for her for a better future. So she was able to basically make a case for hating Trump plus supporting her, whereas Trump really fumbled the ball and he wasn't able to make a case for why people actually should root for him. Because I think there's a big portion of the population who are looking for a candidate to root for, not only for candidate to hate. So Donald Trump really fumbled the ball here, in my opinion. So all in all, I'm not going to talk about all of the policies because they didn't really talk about policies a lot in this whole debate. We didn't really get any specifics on almost anything here. It was mostly about attacking character, attacking their history, and just making false claims on both sides. Unfortunately, it was like a 3-on-1 gang up against Donald Trump. So whenever he got into a corner, these moderators, they grilled Donald Trump a lot here and never really grilled Kamala Harris at all. They fact-checked Donald Trump, but they didn't fact-check Kamala Harris. And there was a lot of fact-checking to do. And you can find a lot of posts, pissed off Republicans over at X for sure. But all in all, for crypto, the Donald Trump, he was the pro-crypto, pro-Bitcoin president. He's supporting more energy production, which means energy prices will go down, inflation will go down. But he wasn't really able to make the case how he will bring down inflation in this debate, how the tax cuts will help the average person. It seems like she was able to basically hit Donald Trump where it hurts, whereas Donald Trump kind of fumbled the ball there in many cases. And that was basically the debate there. I'm not going to go into specifics on all of the things. I'm sure you can find better sources for that. But what I'm basically expecting, you can see the price keeps falling here. What I'm basically now expecting is actually for the price to actually go back to this trend line here, basically this breakout level. That would be the most natural place for a bounce back, but I believe it can go even further to this trend line here. I hope this breakout will still be a breakout and not a fake out, but if you are trading Bitcoin, make sure to have your stop losses somewhere basically below this line here and keep bringing those down, because if price goes there, because we have now this uncertainty of who will become the president, price could actually go back to the 47, 48K. So those are basically back in the books, which I already discounted because I thought that Donald Trump would win and this would have been the price catalyst movement for prices to start trending to the upside. So I was wrong on that statement. So I do have to flip-flop when we have new information. I haven't looked at on-chain data. I haven't looked at any other data. For this video, I will make a separate video for that. But in the short term, I do believe that the prices will start trending to the downside here as the news start rolling and people start expecting maybe all of the reasons why people should hate Donald Trump and how beautiful and how nice Kamala Harris was in the debate and all these things. Those will be filled with news for sure. So all in all, looking into the future, it doesn't really matter at the end of the day who wins the presidential election. Bitcoin is bullish in the long term anyway, but if Donald Trump would win, it would be more bullish in the short term. So that's why prices may go down if people start expecting a lose for Donald Trump. So that is the case here. And also we do have a situation with the markets, with the real world, that there could be a recession coming maybe Q1, Q2 of next year. I will make a separate video about that, but I saw something very scary on the S&P 500 index that I want to make a separate video about, but I will not cover it in this video. This was simply about the debate between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump and the meaning for us crypto investors from this debate here. So that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to actually click the like button, because that tells the algorithm that other people should see this content as well. So make sure to click that one. That will help a lot. Also, if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe so you are up to date on what's going on with the crypto and Bitcoin world. And hopefully I will be able to give you some decent trade setups here as well in the future. But that's it for this video. Hope you liked it, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.